Imagine if Power BI could be fast, trusted, and cost-efficient without chaos or surprises. That would be great, right? Well, that's what Wiiisdom delivers. We empower your teams to deploy analytics governance through 3 core pillars: continuous certification for your most important reports, lifecycle management for every new asset, and predictive monitoring across your entire platform. In today's self-service era, anyone can build reports. That freedom is great, but without guardrails, it can quickly turn into chaos and costly consumption. With Wiiisdom, you can enforce design checks to validate best practices and governance policies. Define your standards once, set checks, assign criticality, and apply them across all reports. This gives you a clear view of what meets your standards and what doesn't. From there, you decide: promote content, notify users, or trigger deployment pipelines. You can even integrate easily with tools like Jira or ServiceNow for advanced orchestration and automation. And thanks to our API, you can trigger pipelines automatically and keep your integration process smooth. Once content reaches production, Wiiisdom unlocks 2 governance approaches, because not every report deserves the same level of attention. For self-service content, predictive monitoring takes over. Our scoring engine analyzes usage and performance trends to predict issues, like capacity pressure or noisy neighbors, before they impact your environment. It helps you focus your BI team's time where it matters most, reduce support ticket sprawl, and scale Power BI for real business growth, not to compensate for poor design or bad user practices. With our scoring, you can easily identify champions and heavy consumers, optimize resources, and prevent capacity outages and cost spikes, all proactively. Now, with continuous certification, you go beyond monitoring. You build trust in analytics by clearly showing data consumers which reports are certified and which are not, especially for mission-critical dashboards where no one can afford doubt or errors. If something fails, your Power BI team gets instant alerts and a full audit trail showing exactly what happened. The certification process automatically tests data freshness, data quality, and user experience, like opening reports, applying filters, or regression checks after any refresh or promotion. And of course, you can track and oversee your certification workflows over time using out-of-the-box dashboards, enabling your teams to manage governance across the organization. In short, Wiiisdom for Power BI helps you build trust, drive adoption, and optimize costs, all while keeping governance agile and scalable. With Wiiisdom for Power BI, you keep self-service agile, but add checks, trust, and control to your platform. Thanks for watching.